Hi. There's been many lies in the propaganda, fake news, pro-birth movement. But one of the biggest lies is they will show a picture of a fully formed infant and represent that as what is being terminated. They will show pictures of miscarriages, God's abortions. They will show picture of stillborns, or the very rare late-term abortion, usually due to serious issues that are a difficult decision for the parents. Very serious conditions. And they will show that as if that is what is being terminated in a norm. It is not the norm. A very small fraction of 1% of terminations are later term. Nearly all are done early in the first trimester, when they more resembled an unformed fetus or a hollow, transparent shrimp. Yes, a hollow, transparent shrimp, and are not sentient in any shape or form. So stop with the lies and propaganda. Most are done extremely early. And support free birth control. I probably help your fetuses more than you by preventing unwanted pregnancies, by supporting free birth control, which has shown to lower termination rates 40% and save taxpayers millions of dollars. So use my taxpayer money and give me the dividends. Christian conservatives are not for solutions. They're illogical, emotional, and this conception nonsense. We need to get religion out of our politics, and these extremists who have terrorized women's clinics by the tens of thousands of terrorist attacks, from bombings, arsons, shootings, vandalisms, harassments, threats of doctors. Stop being hypocrites. Support free birth control. Stop lying with propaganda by photoshopping pictures of miscarriages, stillborns, and very, very rare late-term terminations due to serious conditions, and falsely representing that as the norm. Stop spreading fake news. We all know you're liars on many of these issues. Thank you.